Hello YouTube, we are back with another video and we are going to do some nature photography, and we are at a place we know too well. We are at Stumpy Lake and it is currently 5:41 right now. The sun doesn't rise until I think it's at 6:15, so we got some time to waste. It's pretty dark right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go out and take some pictures. At the moment I might wait a little bit, but who knows, we will see. Before we get into the video, you can like, comment, subscribe if you want to. Follow the IG DominicB_photography. That will be in the description below. My camera gear and stuff will be in the description below. I don't know if I'm going to use the zoom lens or if I'm just going to use the 35mm lens. Not sure yet. But yeah. Also I have my tripod out. I don't use my tripod, so I don't know. I thought maybe I'd use my tripod today, but who knows. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's get to the video. It's a really calm blue out here though. I ended up going with the zoom lens, by the way. Which might have actually been a bad idea at the start, just because it's so dark. I could have actually bought my tripod for this shot, honestly, which I might do. Let's turn down this ISO. It's very right or left. I did not do that. Left dominated, but it's cool. So we took some pictures, but I didn't really like the lighting and I didn't like the way they were coming out. So I'm like, I might as well wait until the sun starts peaking a little bit. So that is what we're doing. The guy at the pier, he was actually boating. I thought he was going to be fishing because I don't think I've ever seen anybody boat on Stumpy Lake, but he is indeed boating. So we'll probably go down to the pier. We might bring the tripod, who knows. I actually might bring the tripod now, actually, while the sun's not out. We'll probably take some more pictures because it's actually brighter than like 15 seconds ago when I started recording the video. So I will be back and we'll be taking pictures. So we have hooked up the tripod. Think obviously reason for having the tripod. We're going to shoot at a slower shutter speed. Turn down the ISO. Turn up the aperture. Obviously, we actually might be able to shoot. And then we're going to keep this bottom, like the boat. I don't know if this is the transfer dock. I'll call it the dock. We're going to keep the dock in the photo just to have something in the foreground. And we'll take it at 1/5 of a second. Yeah, we can switch to the other side. There's like, I don't know why this is creaking so much. Does that make me feel safe? No, not really, but it's okay. Once again, we're going to keep the dock in the photo. Just have to focus on the bridge. You can't even see the bridge, honestly. I really forgot. I forgot to bring my remote. I probably should have brought a remote or something. There we go. That one was better. Let's do one. Let's try to do one without the. I don't know if we can get it without the dock in there. I don't know if we can get one without the dock in there. Unless, like, yeah, dang. I would have to like go super. Let me see. Yeah, no, I don't think we can. I gotta pick up the camera. It's okay though. I mean, we can still take this photo anyways, honestly. Even with the part of the duck still in there. It's cool. Hey kids. Okay, I'm gonna put my tripod up and then we'll take some regular pictures. Because I think we can get some regular pictures too without the tripod, honestly. I don't know if I want the pole in there. The pole vertically, the pole doesn't, it's not that bad, honestly. The pole isn't that bad, honestly. Kinda adds to it a little bit. A balanced composition too. Let's try that. Don't want just, we can do this, just the trees. We don't really need a high aperture. You know, I want something with the distance, but I think I'm gonna add the dock for something for a foreground. I actually might go low with this picture, honestly. We gotta turn out nice though. I gotta look at this picture. Hold up. I like the blues over here. There's not really, I was about to say there's not really anything over here, but there kind of is. It kind of is. We can do a vertical of this one, of this side of the transfer. Everything, the highlights get blown out over here though, honestly, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I don't think I've done a vertical of just this leading towards the trees. Use it as a leading line. Let's we'll come back maybe. We'll come back here. Let's we can do some of the trees. Nothing wrong with the trees. Should we do something with this side without the dock? I think I like it better with the dock though. So hopefully those tripod pictures came out pretty nice, as you can tell by the lighting right now. The sun is kind of up. Yeah, we're just gonna walk down the street, probably take some more photos, see what we can get. I will see you probably when I'm outroing the video, probably in the car. So yeah. I don't think I want the tree in there. I think I just want the leaves in there, just to make a little frame.
retake this picture since it's not dark now. I still kinda, we'll see. I'm so sorry for this truck. Next time I come out here, I will have a zoom lens so I can take some of these pictures. Yeah, I feel like you can let's do a shot of the, look at that, it's drive by. That's really just chilling. But of the pair, I don't know if I can get a decent enough. That's decent. Like in between the trees. But yeah, as I was saying, I think going further down the road lends to like more of wildlife photography and like bird photography, because there are some birds and like ducks and turtles down there, but they're so far away that I can't really get a picture of them with my zoom lens at the moment. So next time we come out here, I vow to have a better zoom lens and we will do some wildlife photography. Other than that, I will see you when I am in the car. Yeah, remember when I said we were done? The sun is finally out, so now we got nice. I mean, you can still tell we're done. Look at this. I closed my camera up, but we got like nice little sun peaks. Maybe just do this. Actually, I think I like this better. Like no distractions. Let's yeah, like this. It kind of made a little bit. It made a little bit of a difference. We'll take it over. We'll take it. We'll take it. There's nothing wrong with taking the picture. Like, I don't know why I'm like, nah. Like, might as well just take the picture. Whatever. On it. Okay. Now we are done. And we are back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those pictures. I will say next time we come out here, I will have a zoom lens because I feel like we need to do something a little bit different, and I think taking wildlife pictures will greatly help. But we brought the tripod out this time. We only took a little bit of tripod pictures. I just wanted to use it, honestly. I want to use it more just because I feel like I can get some nice slow shutter pictures. Not slow shutter pictures, but like on a slower shutter speed. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG DominicB_photography. That will be in the description below. I also have a TikTok that goes by the same handle. That'll be in the description below too. All of my camera stuff will be in the description below. And I will see you in the next video.